give up. Maybe this is food for thought, you better fill up. I'm coming in strong, but it's taking very long. So I gotta make you understand before the beat is gone. Homie, you are not alone. We are in the zone, we are in the matrix. Full of that fake shit, make you wanna grab the gas and go ape shit. Living in a world of lies, I can't take it. Needed someone to save me, needed someone to hug me. Needed the whole world, but nobody would love me. And I learned from this, to put no one above me. And I learned from this, to put no one above me. I said I can't take it, I know I'm gonna make it. I know I'm not normal, but I gotta think it. I swear I'm not cocky, I am just confident that when I step on the stage I am dominant. And now I'm begging you, put your loving hand out, baby. Begging you, put your loving hand out.
Sick of living in the dark, so I'm begging for the light. Feeling like I'm in a fight every single time I write, cause I gotta make sure that they hear me right. Told me that I couldn't do it, so when I pick up the mic I gotta kill it with something so that when they hear it they can feel what's in my soul. Lyrical cocaine, yeah homie, I gotta flow. But first they gotta know who I am, so I'm begging for recognition on a vision that's super big. Cause I ain't good at this, what you did is big, and I'ma stand up and roll out, homie, that's who I'm pressing. I'm not here to play no games, I'm here to stay and make a change and change your ways. So I remain up in the studio for days and days and spitting up these razor blades. Don't wanna place no blame, but without you I couldn't get to where I'm headed. So everybody I'm begging, begging, begging.
Put your loving hand out, baby. Begging you. Put your loving hand out. Yeah, I said this is my path, don't mess with me. Gotta choose this like it was destiny. God testing me to find the best in me. And I know I'm gonna make it even without a degree. Cause the test scores don't mean shit to me. When you said that I would feel it didn't get to me. Now I'm begging, public masses, please. I'm way too proud to get down on my knees, but I'm begging. Put me on a level, fuck Illuminati, that's words to the devil. Cause I am not about that, I just wanna love, I just wanna grow, I just wanna learn. The passion it burns to write this music. I'm so late that I just might lose it, but don't ever confuse it, it's all so worth it. I just wanna help it, but not hurt it. And as for my style, I don't know how to word it. Why do you even categorize me? You can let them hate, let them all despise me. Cause I'm gonna take this. It's something that the whole world could not imagine, let alone fathom. I'm from another planet, that's why I'm not manic. Listen to me, damn it. My future's in your hands and so